Good morning and welcome to Dodgy's Garage, most unscripted show on the YouTubes, because I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm back. I was in hospital there for a while and having some internal works done. That's all completed, so apart from sitting at home as the doctor ordered and doing absolutely nothing, I think it's about time I actually went out and did something, although I can't work on my own cars at the moment. I figured let's go do at least some car shows. I've got to get out and do something. I might as well take the camera with me. So this morning, it's Easter Sunday, and I'm going to Waroona for the big Aussie Day car show. So Dave, Bad Q Garage, has organised this little meetup down in the servo, the southern, the freeway servo. So we've decided to meet up and gather here and then head down to Waroona, which is another 45 minutes away, heading south out of Perth. So I figure, why not? So we've decided to meet up, and then I'll go around to all the through to the car show. There's Bad Q Garage. Go look on the tubes. Oh, that's what's the name from there you go. So we've got a few people coming in. From Perth City streetcars coming in to meet up here. So we've got a couple of cars going to be meeting up, and then we're going to drive down to Waroona for the all Aussie Day car show. So lots of Aussie content. So of course I've got to walk around and do something. We'll do that, and then tomorrow, Easter Monday, there's another show. Hopefully I'll get to it. I don't jinx myself by saying I'll go and then I don't go. But we will attempt to go to that one as well. But today, Easter Sunday, it's kind of not bad at the moment, so hopefully that lasts, because it's been kind of iffy the last few days. And apparently there's a cyclone up north that's pushing down this way, so that won't hit until early next week, or early this week, so we'll see how that goes. But at the moment we're getting ready to go down and see some cars, so I'll see you in a sec. Alright, we made it to All Aussie Car Day at Waroona. So I'm going to do some music and whatever, and I'm going to just drive through it, walk through and check out all the cars. It's pretty full, and it's slightly cloudy, but it's a nice day, Easter Sunday. And it's a good turnout, as you'll see. So let's go for some rapid response to some music video, and less of me talking. So off we go. people, well, that was my little trip down here. First time in a year, I think maybe I've been to a car show. Alright, someone's a little bit late. Nice. A couple of cars still coming in. But that's basically it for me. I've just trying to get up enough energy to actually do stuff. And this is pretty much it. So he's coming right here. Alright, so that's enough fluffing from me. Bad Q Garage, go check out Bad Q. Sorry, I can't zoom in on that one. But yeah, this is basically my first outing in a long time, since since forever, but definitely since the operation. This is my first outing, so it was just a case of trying to get used to everything, see how I go energy wise, because mate, once you get cut up, everything goes. I was a white ghost for about a week and a bit after hospital, because yeah, I just lost everything. So apart from the weight, energy levels, everything's gone. And so it was kind of good to actually get out and do something for once. So fortunately, I don't feel too bad. A bit sweaty because I was kind of moving around. Sorry if it was all a bit shaky and choppy. It's the first time I'm in bloody thongs, because I can't really bend down to put shoes on. So it was a bit of a thing, me walking around trying to remember to go slow and trying not to shake it too much, hence why I decided to do a hyperlapse and just throw some music over the top, because yeah, but it could be a bit shaky. So sorry about the shakiness. It is my first time in probably a year that I've actually done a video, that's all I could do. But thanks to Michael for checking up on me and sending me messages to see how I'm going, and for the other people that popped over and said g'day. Hopefully now I'm on the mend. Probably another week before I go back to work. I can get stuff done. I'm trying to just organise stuff, to get stuff done, to just get out there and do the stuff I'm supposed to do. So we'll see how that goes. And until then, all I can do is just keep on keeping on. I hope you just do the same. Click a like or something like that, do whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you in the future, the next one. Maybe tomorrow. There is a show on tomorrow down at Armadale Auto Parts, but the weather's not looking promising, so we'll see how that goes. All I can smell is gasoline for these engines and cut grass. It's great to actually be out again. So yeah, see how we go, and I'll see you next time, I'd say. Hooroo!